Okay, Zman Tefillah. So Zman, it's a time for praying. Okay. Zman Tefillah, the latest permitted time to daven Shacharis, is the 4 halachic hours into the day. The daylight hours divided into 12 equal parts. Each part is called halachic hour. Our halachic hours past the sunrise comprise Zman Tefillah. 4 halachic hours past the sunrise comprises Zman Tefillah. So I'm not sure why he explained this. It's a little. So let's try to explain in simple words. I think we said in Kitzur Shulchan Aruch class a few times, but let's simplify it. Right, the day is calculated. There are two ways to calculate the day: from the sunrise to sunset. Some calculate from dawn until the nightfall. Of course, you see the time is much different, like more than 1 hour, maybe 2 hours difference. And then they divide this by 12 parts, and they get halachic hour. Right, so in the winter it could be shorter. It could be like 45 minutes, even 1 halachic hour, and in the summer it could be 75 minutes, let's say, this halachic hour, right? And we should pray our shacharis, our morning prayer, at least for men, it's obligation, until the 4th hour of the day. So if you look at this my Zmanim application, so you will see what is the latest time in your area in the specific day. What is the latest time, right? But of course, as we said before many times, so if needed, if under some exceptional conditions, so person can pray actually shacharis until the midday, which is gives him 2 extra hours. Okay, just 1 second. Shulchan Aruch writes that one cannot recite the Brachos Kriya Shema after that time has passed. However, Biur Halacha rules that if one unintentionally missed Zman Tefillah, he may recite the Brachos until Chatzos, midday, 6 hours into the day, and that's the opinion that we follow, as I just said. So, but now we say if Shulchan Aruch said if person missed the blessings of the Shema and did not say until the 4th hour, right? So he cannot say it any longer. He can still say Shema. There is no problem to say Shema any time of the day, because it's verses from the Torah. You learn in the Torah. You can learn Torah all day long. So you just say that the verses from the Torah, from different parts, so that there is no problem, right? But blessing on the Shema, so since according to Shulchan Aruch, there is no mitzvah at that point. Mitzvah ended 4 hours into the day, right? So you're not no longer allowed to say blessing of the Shema. But Mishnah Brura, Biur Halacha, which is the same author with Mishnah Brura, so he said actually that if he missed because of the circumstances, for example, maybe his child was sick. I don't know, he had to take him to a doctor and one this and that. So not because he wanted to miss, but he was under the pressure. Well, let's put it this way. It did not depend on him. He did not oversleep. He did not this, did not that. So okay, so he can say according to Biur Halacha until the until the midday. So again, Jewish midday. So it's also not exactly like noon. So sometimes it's close to noon, 12:30. Sometimes when we change time, when we change time it's 12:30, then 1:30 in the summer. So it's 1:30, 1:15, different time. Okay. Continue. Some poskim assume that this leniency applies to men and not to women, since women are not obligated to in the brachas preceding Shema, and perhaps are not obligated in bracha that follow either. they should omit these brachas if they're davening after the Zman Tefillah. If they were to recite these brachas, they would be bracha levelatala, blessing in vain. So it's very important for women to know. Okay, even though they can say the blessings before the Shema, and two blessings before the Shema and one after the Shema in the morning, yeah, there is no problem. They can say it, but if it's too late, if it's after the midday, they are not allowed to say the blessing. Okay, there is no problem. They're not obligated anyway, and it's not time for this blessing. So just say, if you want, just say this three paragraphs, and you're good.